Hello. This is what she's decided to do at the doctor's office while we wait. Rylan, look at Mama. Rylan. Okay, you can't take pieces off. Rylan. Hello, Rylan. Rylan. Come here. Hey, Rylan. Hello. Hi. Hello. Yeah. Is that fun? Rylan. No, come here. Hey. Hey, Rylan.